Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations and Logistics Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we examine real-world operational challenges and explore strategic frameworks to drive efficiency, accuracy, and performance. Today's case features Euro Manufacturing, a firm in the engineering manufacturing sector facing persistent inventory discrepancies, specifically in small accessories like nuts, bolts, and fasteners. Key themes in this case: identifying the operational and systemic root causes behind frequent inventory mismatches, understanding the impact of small item losses on overall production planning, costing, and supplier relations, implementing solutions such as cycle counting, bin-level digitization, RFID barcode tracking, and staff accountability systems. Managing upward pressure from leadership by delivering transparent reporting and performance improvements. This case highlights the importance of process discipline and visibility in maintaining a lean, reliable inventory system, critical in high-precision manufacturing environments. Khan Amir, inventory manager at Euro Manufacturing, Karachi, confronted ongoing losses of nuts, bolts, and small accessories. Discrepancies in inventory counts and pressure from management intensified the issue. Amir's task was to identify the root cause of inventory shrinkage and devise a sustainable solution to address these challenges effectively. Applying ABC analysis, Euro Manufacturing classified inventory by value and usage: A items for high-value components, B items for moderate value, and C items for low-value, high-volume items like nuts and bolts. This classification enabled targeted resource allocation, enhancing control mechanisms and reducing shrinkage risks effectively. ABC analysis classifies inventory into A, B, and C items. A items are high value, needing tight controls and frequent monitoring. B items are moderate value, requiring regular monitoring. C items are low value, high volume, with the highest shrinkage risk. This classification helps Euro Manufacturing allocate resources effectively for each category's control mechanisms. The PDCA cycle is crucial for continuous improvement in inventory management. In the plan phase, identify shrinkage causes via data analysis. The do phase involves implementing process changes and training. Check results with cycle counts and variance analysis. Finally, act by standardizing improvements and scaling successful initiatives to address gaps. Inventory shrinkage was traced to human errors like miscounts and documentation mistakes, potential theft due to poor surveillance, system limitations from outdated tracking methods, and supplier issues with unverified stock. Addressing these systematically was crucial for Amir to develop a comprehensive solution. Implementing barcode scanning, standardized entry and dispatch tracking, reducing manual errors by 78%. Radio frequency identification tagging enabled real-time movement tracking of bins with high-volume small parts. A centralized inventory management software provided automated alerts, reconciliation reports, and analytics dashboards, enhancing overall inventory control and accuracy. Employee engagement is crucial for effective inventory management. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, were developed for handling, storage, and counting of small parts. A comprehensive training program ensures accurate documentation. Accountability is reinforced by assigning ownership zones and establishing performance metrics to maintain inventory accuracy. Euro Manufacturing encountered resistance due to perceived increased monitoring and a learning curve with new technology. Budget constraints and workflow disruptions further complicated implementation. Clear communication and phased approaches minimized disruptions. Peer champions facilitated knowledge transfer, while highlighting early wins boosted morale and encouraged buy-in. Supplier management integration involved a rigorous inspection process for incoming small parts, ensuring quality. Suppliers were required to provide digital manifests for cross-verification. Key performance indicators were established to assess supplier accuracy with regular performance reviews. Collaborative planning with key suppliers was crucial for enhancing inventory management initiatives, fostering a proactive approach to supply chain efficiency. The implementation led to an 84% reduction in shrinkage, significantly decreasing unaccounted inventory losses. Achieving Rs 18.5 lakh in annual cost savings, the initiative improved inventory accuracy and reduced reordering. Count accuracy for C-category items rose to 96%, while process efficiency saw a 42% reduction in time spent on inventory counts and reconciliation. The academic application of this project spans operations management, supply chain management, industrial engineering, and lean systems and process design. It offers learning opportunities in real-world inventory theory application, integrating technical and human solutions, understanding small value item impacts on large operations, and employing cross-functional problem-solving approaches. Executive support ensures resources and emphasizes importance. A data-driven approach pinpoints specific issues, avoiding generic fixes. A balanced solution integrates technology, process improvements, and human factors for a comprehensive strategy. Continuous evaluation through regular reviews allows for necessary adjustments, preventing regression to old habits. Managing even small value items improperly can significantly impact operations. ABC analysis focuses inventory management on value and volume. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle provides a structured method for continuous improvement. Effective solutions integrate technology, process redesign, and employee engagement. Cultivating an accountability culture ensures lasting results and fosters ownership. Effective inventory management requires a strategic approach. By integrating technology, redesigning processes, and fostering employee engagement, organizations can enhance operational efficiency. An accountability culture ensures sustainable improvements, encouraging ownership and responsibility. These elements, when combined, create a robust framework for managing inventory, reducing waste, and optimizing resources. Thank you for exploring this operation strategy case study with Skilled MBA. We hope Euromanufacturing's challenge offered insights into inventory accuracy, process improvement, and operational transparency. For more practical case studies on supply chain management, lean systems, and factory operations, connect with us. Mobile, +91 87553 0795. Email, support@skilledmba.com. Website, https://skilledmba.com.